Yummy. Look at all of that chocolate. So we are getting started today by adding 20 ounces of some melted white chocolate right here into our baking dish. We are in for a treat today. Of course, you want to take a quick second just to spread that all over the bottom. Oh yeah, that looks silky and smooth. All right, now check this out. I have some caramel and I'm gonna take it and just dump that caramel right on top of that white chocolate. Now I'm gonna use about, I would say 12 ounces of caramel right here on top of that white chocolate. Once you have those two all together in your pan, you're just gonna take a moment to mix them all together. You guys are in for a treat. Wow, look at how that all comes together and just starts to smooth itself out, you guys. We are making a 2-ingredient caramel fudge. Now I want to top it off with some mini chocolate chips. I had these handy in the fridge. I really don't think that this caramel fudge needs anything, but I thought these are little cute little chocolate chips here and I had them on hand, so I'm gonna throw them in. Now, of course, you could do pecans, you could do, I don't know, you could do a bunch of different stuff. I'm gonna gently just come in with my clean hands here and push these chocolate chips down, just giving them an opportunity to sink right there in with that caramel goodness. Okay, you guys, perfect. I'm gonna pop it in the fridge so it sets up quicker, and stick around. I think you're gonna love when I cut into this. It's gonna be silky smooth, just the perfect easy treat. You're gonna love it. Oh yeah, baby. So the moment has finally arrived where we can dig into our 2-ingredient caramel fudge. Now, if you use parchment paper, the plus is you can just take it right out. Look at that. It is so easy, right? And then we can just peel all of this away to see this creamy caramel fudge. Oh yeah, so let's go ahead. Let's see how the knife, look at that. You can tell how smooth it is just by the way the knife just slides into it just like that. With little effort here, this consistency is absolutely perfect, you guys. Don't forget, we just used some white chocolate and some caramel. Mixing those together to create this caramel fudge is so good. Look at that. Look at that. Woo-wee. Here we go, put it in my belly. Oh yeah. I already knew it was gonna be great, but maybe you can tell even from my bite mark, it has like this, the texture is just perfect. And the caramel, it comes through and it's not too overpowering. And it's so good. It really takes over the flavor of even the white chocolate. It's more just a caramel fudge, like really super good. You could add so much stuff to this. I really do enjoy the chocolate chips, but maybe some nuts would also be good. Let me know what you guys think about it. If you're gonna do anything to change it up, we'll see you later. I'm gonna dish some of this out to the neighbors. I think they're gonna love it. Enjoy.